Hello children, good morning. So in the previous classes you have learned subtraction of two-digit numbers by taking borrow. I hope you understood. So after subtraction you might be confused whether your answer is right or wrong because you are taking borrow, so that you might be confused whether your answer is right or wrong. You can check your answer by addition, okay? So you can verify your answer by adding the numbers. So let us see how to verify answer. How to verify the difference that you get from the subtraction. So subtract the following and verify your answer. Let us take one example. Let us subtract 32 minus 15. 32 minus 15. Let us subtract this number first. So 2 minus 5. First we will subtract the ones. So you have 2 minus 5. It is not possible because 2 is smaller than 5, isn't it? So you cannot subtract 2 minus 5. So take borrow from the tens column. You are taking 1. So it is 12. Means you are taking 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. So 12 in your mind, 5 in your hand. 12 before, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 12 minus 5 is what? 7. Write it in the ones column. Okay. So now in the tens column, there is 3. You have given 1 from this. So 2 left. Isn't it? So 2 left. 2 minus 1 is 1. So answer is 17. Let us check whether this answer is correct or wrong. So how to verify this? Verification. So we can verify this answer by adding these two, second number and answer. By adding the second number and answer, when you add these two, second number and the answer, if you get first number, then your answer is right. So let us see. Let us take the answer, that is 17, and second number is this one, 15. So let us add these two numbers. So 17 is the answer that you get after subtraction. 15 is the second number. Here what is there now? This one. So add these two, second number and answer. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is what? 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 carry, 2 write it down. 12. Now add the tens column. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So answer is 32. After adding these two numbers, you have got 32. So what is 32? 32 is the first number. See, this one. Isn't it? So now that your answer, this 17 is right. Your answer is correct. So this is how you can verify your answer after subtraction. Add the second number and the answer. By adding these two, if you get first number, then your answer is right. So you are taking 17 here, then 15 here. By adding these two, you will get the first number, then your answer is right. Let us see another example. Second one, tens and ones. 96 minus 39. 96 minus 39. So let us subtract the ones. 6 minus 9. It is not possible because 6 is smaller than 9. So take borrow. 16. You are taking 1. 16. 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is what? 16 in your mind, 9 in your hand, 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 16 minus 9 is what? 7. So write it in the ones column. Now here there is 9. You have given 1, so 8 left. 8 minus 3 is what? 8 before, 7, 6, 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Write it in the tens column. Now let us verify the answer. First, let us take the answer, that is 57, plus let us add the second number, that is 39. So you have taken answer plus second number. This is the answer and this is the second number. By adding, let us add these two. Okay, 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is what? 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 carry, 6 write it down. 16. Now add the tens column. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So what is the answer? 96. So this 96 is the first number in the subtraction, isn't it? So you have got this number 96. That shows that your answer is right. Means by adding second number and the answer, if you get the first number, then your answer is correct. So this is how you can verify your answer. I hope you understood. Solve exercise 3.4 in your textbook itself. Thank you.